Want a premium BMW rolling live wallpaper for your desktop? Stay till the end because I will show you how to get it. Hi guys, welcome back to Anonymous Shadow. Today I will show you how to set up this insane rolling BMW live wallpaper. It looks clean, smooth and will make your desktop stand out. We will cover this video in 2 steps. The second step is going to be insane because in the second step I am going to provide you the link of the amazing wallpaper and the software using which you can set the live wallpaper on your desktop. So in this first step I am going to show you how to set this wallpaper. I have already downloaded the required material, but I will tell you how to download this required material at the end or in the second step of this video. But in the first step I am just telling you how to set the wallpaper. You need to open the lively wallpaper and you can see a plus icon up right corner. Click on the plus icon and go to choose a file. Go to desktop and click the folder where you have extracted the files. And click on the folder and click on open and click on EVE video file, click on open and press OK. I will tell you at the end from where to get this folder. Now just click on the OK button down here to set this wallpaper. Click on it. Now the wallpaper is set successfully. Now go to desktop, right click on desktop, go to view and click on show desktop icons. That will hide all your icons. So this is the final look of the wallpaper. So if it's looking great on your desktop, just click the like button and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. Now moving towards the links from where you can download the wallpaper. Click in the first link in the description that will redirect you to a website. So this is the website. Scroll down and you will find a download mirror option. Click on download mirror. It will start downloading the wallpaper. So this is the process of downloading the wallpaper. Till it gets downloaded, so we need to go to a new tab and search for lively wallpaper download. So it's showing it here. Click on it and now go to the first link, which is lively wallpaper free download. Click on the first link and you will find here the lively wallpaper. From here you can just click on the download button here and lively wallpaper will be downloaded. I already have downloaded it. So now go to the wallpaper and click on this icon shown here and just go to this folder and right click on this zip file and click on extract files. Now you need to select desktop and click on OK. So it will extract all the required files on our desktop. So this is the process of downloading and setting up the wallpaper on your PC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.